Hey everybody, it's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate, bringing you episode 8 of the great California Corona Staycation show. It's been a wild week. This is, we've one full week of our conversations here. And so much has been going on, some of which you may not be aware of. So I want to bring you up to speed on some things that you may not know, besides dealing with all the quarantine and Corona and the housing area issues. This week, the Rams let go of Todd Gurley. Todd Gurley, the best running back in the NFL, is no longer a Ram. That's not good news. Okay, and then just a couple of days ago it was announced that the Rams are now, see my wonderful gear here, are replacing this with this crap, need I say. Yeah, that's the new Rams logo, guys. It ain't looking pretty. Not a happy camper. I think I need to call Gabrielle Klatsky and get some grounding here. But let's talk about something that is on everybody's mind, which is, our house is selling. And I was curious, it's been a week or so since we've been talking. So I pulled up statistics for the last week. And in Nila, which is the Northeast Los Angeles area, which is made up by Los Feliz, Silver Lake, Hollywood, Echo Park, Eagle Rock, Highland Park, okay? I also call it the hipster corridor, okay? In that area, in the past 7 days, there has been 11 homes that have gone under contract. That means these were homes that now have offers accepted on them in the past 7 days, 11 houses, okay? In Glendale, which is where I live, in the past 7 days, six houses have gone under contract. These are brand new escrows in Glendale. Pasadena, let's look at another city, our sister city, 8. In the past 7 days, 8 homes have gone under contract in Pasadena. Let's take a broader look. The whole city of Los Angeles, in the city of LA, 43 homes have gone under contract, okay? And I'm happy to say that 3 of those were from our team. So 43 homes in the last 7 days under contract. And the whole county. Let's look at the county of Los Angeles. It's a big 10 million people. 328 homes in the last 7 days have gone into escrow. So, not the crazy pace that we would normally see, and nor should it be, but homes are selling. And I think we have motivated sellers and motivated buyers, and they're putting transactions together. It's happening in a very different way. Agents are definitely taking advantage of virtual tours, virtual showings, and staying compliant as possible with the stay-at-home ordinance, which realtors are not an essential business for as claimed by the California governor. However, the carrying out of a transaction once it is an escrow and the inspections required to carry out that transaction are considered a necessary service. So a little bit of a mixed message there. If you want more information on how houses are selling in your area and what that might look like, reach out to us. We're happy to sit down and have a video chat like this with you and discuss what it's like to be a buyer now, be a seller now, or what it's like and what you should be doing if you're going to be a buyer or a seller in 3, 6 weeks, 8, 10 weeks, 2 months, whatever. Anyway, we're here to help. If you have any questions, please reach out. Take care. Bye-bye.